Actually, nung nalaman ko yung concept, medyo nagulat ako. Kasi, concept pa lang alone, it's already out of the box eh.
Kasi iba eh. Different story, hindi katulad ng AVP before.
It's not difficult to think of something like a concept as unique as this one, because you always just think of how to satisfy, how to give something to our distributors.
Konsepto pa lang, alam mo panalo na.
Natuwa ako dahil nakita ko si Chairman, si Pres. Talagang action movie ang dating eh. Iba na yung paggawa ng AVP natin.
Game lahat. Like, si Press nag-dive, si Boss, Marty Arte. Parang silang actors.
Agad-agad pumayag ako dun sa concept. Because overall, on the overall, the concept was all about Royal's management, Royal's distributors.
Ang ating presidente at ating chairman, game na game sila sa mga eksena. Kung anong kailangan ng eksena para sa ikakaganda ng video na to, go sila. No questions asked. Even if it's kinda out of this world yung idea, go sila eh.
He's not the type of man that will act or magiging artista for a day. Nakakagulat na kaya pala niyang gawin yon para lang mapaganda yung AVP.
Iba. Sobrang iba talaga niya. Na hindi siya AVP ang dating para sa akin eh. Para siyang sine.
We always make it a point to give not just the best, but something new, something fresh, something that would allow our distributors to connect, to get in touch with us, even just through the video.
Yung preparation on this AVP is talagang pinaghandaan. Budget-wise talagang nag-allocate tayo ng malaking budget sa AVP ngayong 7th year natin compared to yung budget natin previous years.
We know na lalabas itong video na maganda. Kasi sa sacrifice na inilagay ng bawat isa.
Wala namang ginawang video ang Royal na hindi maganda. Pero I would say, sa lahat ng video na ginawa ng Royal, dahil I witnessed it from the first AVP up to the 6th AVP, but this I could say the best AVP so far ng Royal.
Maganda yung bagong ilalabas na AVP kasi every year kasi lalong gumaganda yung AVP. For the longest time, si Royal, napaka-simple, napakatahimik niya lang. Hindi kasi tayo yung maingay eh. Hindi kasi tayo yung showy sa tao. So, sabi ko, it's about time na maipakita natin ngayon sa buong mundo kung sino ba talaga si Royal.
Yun yung isa sa mga talagang inaabangan namin. We're so excited to watch the AVP dahil sobrang pinaghandaan po namin lahat to.
Itong AVP na to, dito ipakikita na in Royal, everything is possible.
We've been doing a lot of AVPs for the past 7 years. Tapos ito pinaghandaan talaga eh. So kahit kami, excited kami. Everything is a surprise.
After nyo mapanood, lalo kayo magiging proud. Iba ngayon.
And I'm sure everyone who's been part of this, whether on-cam or off-cam, would be very, very proud that we have done something as great as this one.
The union between distributors and management of Royal made it happen in the 7th year anniversary, 7th year of our existence.
Royalistas, this is our video, and this is for you.
Well, gentlemen, have you so far arrived at your respective decisions?
Yeah, Herr Vorsitzenden.
I agree.
It's ready. Yes, I agree.
نعم، نحن نفتخر بالعمل مع رويال.
So, with that, let me thank you and welcome you to the royal family. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Chairman.
Please find the president for me. I have some important news to discuss.
Locating, sir. Sir, we have located his coordinates. He appears to be a few hundred feet below sea level.
I see. Let's ask him to surface then.
Copy that, Mr. Chairman.
Vamos, senhor presidente.
Several years ago, we dreamt and aspired to create a great company, an organization with an ideal business model. Distributors first, company second, and everything else above board. It was a dream come true.
Our success today gives us the privilege to give back to our people by doing more and being more.
Our people's unwavering loyalty to Royal led us to where we are today.
Let us continue to recognize Royal's most valuable brand, our Royalistas. And together, we shall royalize the world. It is no secret. We are out there. We have come this far because you made it happen. It is not your abilities that define who you are. It's the choices you decide to take. You are here today because you chose to uphold the burning passion of a Royalista. But even that was not easy, because success is never for the uncommitted. While others dream of success, you, Royalistas, wake up and work hard for it. You turn days into nights and nights into days. You have become unstoppable. We have chartered our territories, and stopping now is not an option. You don't stop when you touch lives. When you found the royal road to a man's heart, you just want to keep on moving on until it becomes your way of life.
Fellow Royalistas, against the backdrop of unemployment and yet to be seen growth effects to the ordinary Filipino, we are proud to say that we have fulfilled our corporate and social commitment to create entrepreneurs. You are all businessmen that help spur economic growth and provide income for many people. You are what inspired us 7 years ago.
Yes, we are on our 7th year, and we have only grown fearless, bolder, and stronger.
Royalistas, you have done an amazing job. Royal is the best because we work with the best.
Let's do this, Royalistas. Let's switch gears and speed up as we accelerate to royalize the world.